Sunita Sharma ma'am, the faculty members and my fellow students. It is my honor to introduce our speaker, Mr. Purab Bhatt, founder of Career Ownership Hub and a leading career coach specializing in mid-career transformations. Sir is a best-selling author on Amazon and LinkedIn top mentoring voice. He has over 15 years of global experience in sales, marketing and digitalization. Mr. Purab Bhatt sir is committed to empowering professionals to take charge of their career journeys with confidence and clarity. We extend a heartfelt welcome to you, sir. I now request our Dean, Dr. Sunita Sharma ma'am, to felicitate Mr. Purab Bhatt sir with a token of gratitude.
Let me just put this in place.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I now invite our speaker, Mr. Purab Bhatt sir, to help us understand today's topic, Mastering Career Strategies for Modern Job Market. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Am I audible to all of you? Yes. No? Six.
And then join him.
No? While this starts, okay. How are you all doing today?
Fine, sir.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what is your energy level?
10, sir.
10? All of you 10?
Yes, sir.
Good. You know what? This is what is required every day. The only one thing which can help you succeed is not grades, is not marks. Stop running after what you are running after. Okay? Start focusing on a lot of other things that I'll be talking about today. Right? And if you feel like taking notes, do take notes. Okay? I'll be sharing some things which I have experienced in my journey. Mistakes that I have made in my journey. Right? Because mistakes teach you the best. And the one thing which I don't want is, I don't want you to commit the same mistakes which I have committed. And many of the professionals like me are still committing. Right? So, while you are in one of the best faculties of the country, one of the best universities, you should take benefit of this. You should start taking risks in your journey. You should start exploring all the new possible things. So let this get started and so we begin. Okay, I just need to put things in my system. Is it working now? While these people are doing this, how many of you know who I am? Just raise your hand if you know. If you raise your hand, I'll ask questions. How many of you know who I am? किसको पता है आप लोग यहाँ 90 मिनट के लिए क्यों बैठे हो भाई? Why are you sitting here for 90 minutes? You should leverage these 90 minutes. अगर कोई यहाँ पे आता है, right? He or she should be someone who has achieved something more than you. Correct? तुमसे तो कुछ ना कुछ ज्यादा किया होगा, टाइम ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट किया है, अगर कुछ अचीव नहीं किया तो. So next time you are sitting here, the one thing you should do is you should know each and everything about the speaker. You should know each and everything about the speaker. Because people who are standing here are your stakeholders who can help you get a job. which is one of your end goals. तो यहाँ पे जो खड़ा है ना, the sir who was here before me, he is a very senior person at a very good organization. You should have known him before he comes in. All your guest faculties, उनके साथ इतना रैपो बना लो that you don't have to apply for a job. है ना? This is a career secret. I'll be covering this in detail, but let's see what is the problem. MacBook को screen support नहीं करना. So let's invest 5 more minutes with these people, okay? Yes.
नहीं कर सकता.
I also understood that you all are also different in terms of the way you think. Okay, we were like, we were so proud to be a part of MS University, but we were under a lot of assumptions. Now, if we are here, it is their responsibility to build our career. Okay, so don't carry that myth in your mind. These people will support, but at the end of the day, you have to take ownership. Can you skip these lines? This is for the session that I conduct for mid-career professionals, okay, to build the energy in the beginning, okay. And it is very important when you start your day, if you listen to something which is energetic, it could be something religious, but to energize yourself, just skip. Last one. Yes. And okay, this question I already asked. Okay, so next time, whosoever is standing here, उसका बायोडेटा आपके पास होना चाहिए. कौन है वो बंदी या कौन है वो बंदा? You should know him. I will tell you the reason. When you ask a very pointed question, like, sir, we have seen your profile on LinkedIn, and your journey has been very exciting. You have changed a lot of profiles in your journey. Can you share your experience? That person will remember you forever. Marketing में कौन है? Who all are the marketing experts here, right? अभी first day पता नहीं. Not expert, you are experts. So you have to occupy space in the minds of the customers. I am your customer. मैं कौन हूँ? I am your customer, right? You have to buy me. You have to buy from me, or you have to sell yourself to me. if you have to sell yourself to me, you have to occupy space in my mind. Very simple and very easy technique, or very practical. One of these strategies. So let's begin your journey. I asked this question to Achal. What was the highest salary last year?
16.
16. Right? What is your expectation this year? In terms of the highest salary, what is your expectation? Above 16. What is your expectation? 20. Why? Why 20? बोलना पड़ेगा ना, थोड़ा थोड़ा तो बोलना पड़ेगा. You have to start speaking. Okay. When we say above 16, this is a genie. Your mind is a genie. Whatever you tell your mind, it will help you to achieve it. Magic नहीं होगा, but it will guide you in that direction. If you tell your mind above 16, your mind will say, I don't know what is above 16. Give me a number. Okay. This is something which many of us are missing. We are afraid to set targets. We are afraid to set goals. We do not have clarity about our journey. We do not have clarity about our journey. Okay, if it is 20, if it is above 16, what is your strategy? What is your plan to achieve that number? What is your plan to achieve that number? क्योंकि वो खुद ब खुद तो होने नहीं वाला है कि हमने मांगा और हो गया, कि पेट्रोल का दाम बढ़ रहा है तो सर हमें ज़्यादा पैसे दे दो, साबु का सूप्स का प्राइस बढ़ रहा है तो ज़्यादा पैसे दे दो, एंटरटेनमेंट आइनॉक्स में टिकट्स महंगी हो रही है, ज़्यादा पैसे दे दो. ऐसे तो कोई पैसे नहीं देने वाला. So what is your strategy to achieve the salary that you want? I know that in the college days or when we are in the academics, it's like जैसे कट रही है वैसे कटने दो. This is our mindset. And believe me, not only in this journey, after 10-15 years of professional journey, the mindset remains the same. जैसे चल रहा है वैसे चलने दो. जब गले तक पानी आएगा तब एक्शंस लेना शुरू करेंगे. तब तक क्या है? तो प्लेसमेंट तो अभी दूर है. अभी से क्या है? फर्स्ट डे पे अभी तो हम लोग जस्ट आए हैं. ये सब क्या हो रहा है? हमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस चाहिए. गिव अस क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ओनली देन वी विल वर्क. वी ऑल नीड इंस्ट्रक्शंस, and this mindset we carry forever. So start building your strategies for your target that you want to achieve. It's about mindset. You have to start focusing on your mind. It's about your thoughts. It matters a lot. Your thoughts, the way you carry yourself, your approach while you are in the classroom, while you are moving in the corridor, the way you behave matters a lot, and it is all about your mindset. What are you thinking? Many of you might have family businesses and you might be going to the business. Many of you might be still thinking of going abroad for further education. Many of you might be planning to get a job in the country. That there could be various targets, there could be various plans. But for all that, the one thing which you should start working on is your mindset. Even when you want to get into your family business, you have to bring the difference. You are not just going to be a part of it. There is a book by an author called Seth Godin, which says the title of the book is The Purple Cow. And in his book he says that if you try to fit in, you are preparing to fail. Fitting is failing. We all are programmed to fit in. If there is a crowd going on or herd going, you want to become a part of it. I want to be like you. That is what we do. So we don't have our own plans. This is the mindset. And today I want to start thinking, how can we be different as a group, and how can I be different as an individual? How can we be different as a group, and how can I be different as an individual? What is our mindset? IIMs, XLRI, SPJ, or any such other top 10 institutes, top 20, the people are better, they are smarter. That is what we have been told. This is fed in the minds. But that is not true. That is not true. And I want this big mindset in all of you. ये मान के चलोगे तो वही ऐसा ही है, ओके, बट what stops you from thinking that you are the best? There is a very famous quote by Henry Ford. If you think you can, or if you think you can't, both are right. So we have been programmed to think MS में highest salary इतना है, इससे ज़्यादा मिलना चाहिए. But where the country is going, where the economy is going, for the next 10 years, you are in one of the fastest growing economies of the world. Only you can stop you. I am not a motivational speaker. Okay, ये 10 मिनट का 1 घंटे का खेल नहीं है कि आज रात को जाकर तो कुछ एकदम अच्छा कर देते हैं, वो वाली बात नहीं है. I will share with you implementable strategies to start working. The only thing which I cannot do is I cannot implement for you, right? But I will share with you things that you can practically start doing. With 24 hours in your hand every day, you can create magic. So start with your thoughts. How do you start your day? This is a picture which came to me for the first time in the year 2015 when I looked at myself. I was like this. How many of you know the story of this baby elephant? You know it? Would you like to share it with the students here?
So in the
Yeah, go ahead.
So the elephant was think that he is not capable of breaking the rope, but he has power. But he was trained in such an environment that he thinks that he is not capable of breaking the rope.
Correct. Exactly. Thank you so much. What is your name?
Viraj.
Viraj. Thank you, Viraj. Thank you so much. Viraj, first thing, thanks for standing up. Okay. When I was here, मैं डरता था. Okay. मैं बोल नहीं पाता था. But now when you have the power to stand up, the second thing you should learn is the art of storytelling. Okay, Viraj, this story is perfect, but you should be able to speak it in a right way. This baby elephant, when it was a baby, it was tied with a thin rope. And after all the efforts, it could not break the rope. When the elephant was a grown, adult elephant, the rope was not changed. But it did not try to break the rope. Because it was programmed, it was conditioned to think, ये जो मुझे बांध के रखा है, इसको मैं तोड़ नहीं सकता. Right? I looked at myself like this. I was programmed completely. I was told तुम इतना ही कर सकते हो, इससे ज़्यादा सोचो भी मत. Don't think beyond this. And I said, fine. If you say this, that's it. I will not even try. This is my world. This is what it is for me. And for the first 10 years, not 10 years, I would go back to my journey in the year 1992 when there was a tragic event in my family. Okay, I lost my parents to a car accident when I was 11. And since then I was running this race to prove myself to the world. Kuch to hai, I have something. And the only way to prove myself to the world was secure good marks, get into engineering. I don't know why, but people around me like engineering में तो जाना चाहिए, 12 science ही करना है, 12 science. So I got into 12 science, 11 science. Then after a while I was in the 12th standard engineering. कुछ भी करो engineering में जाओ. I got good marks because I was programmed to work hard. So I got into mechanical engineering. While I was doing my mechanical engineering, somebody in the family said, अगर तो बहुत पढ़ाई. So what next? MBA करो. Fine, MBA करते हैं. Programming. So I did MBA. As soon as I stepped into this campus, the only target was, what's your target?
Placement.
Campus placement. देखो, mind is not changing. Don't take this personally. But हम यहाँ क्यों बैठे हैं? यार ये सामने जो भी बकबक कर रहे हैं उसको करने दो यार. हमारा काम है कैंपस में बैठना है, कैंपस में जॉब चाहिए. ये लोग अपना भाषण देते रहते हैं, वी डोंट केयर. I was also like that. Okay. But I at least make sure कि कुछ तुम लेके जाओ आज. So I was like running and running. And that was for me it was my fear. For me it was the event that happened in my life. And because of which I was continuously running with fear and insecurity. I got a job and the only target was get the best increment and secure a promotion and keep working hard. So for the first 10 years of my journey, not 10 years, 25 years, okay, 25 years of my journey I was here with the crowd. जो सब करते हैं वही करना है, कुछ अलग मत करो. What if you fail? लोग क्या कहेंगे? So I don't like to fail. I am okay with average results, but I don't want to fail. And I was running in a well of campus placements. बाहर नहीं देखना है, दौड़ो, सब दौड़ रहे, दौड़ो, स्पीड में दौड़ो, सब दौड़ रहे. So I never thought about what can happen beyond campus. What can happen beyond increment? What can happen beyond Baroda? I am born and brought up in Baroda. मेरे लिए बड़ौदा तो दुनिया थी मेरी. Baroda is the world. Best city. आज भी किधर stay there. कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You are in the best city of the country. Safest. This was me. Okay. I started my job, as I said, kept on running. And when I realized that there is something more that I can do, so late, my mistakes, okay, mistakes of my life, I don't want you to wait for 10 more years to correct your mistakes. So I just want to share, stop running this race with the crowd. Stop running this race with the crowd. Start taking charge of your journey. You have to take complete ownership of your journey. This was me, 92, 99, 2003, 2006, 2015. And competition, comparison, and conventional approach. What was the conventional approach? Update your resume, Naukri.com, Monster.com, Shine.com, Indeed.com, and now it is LinkedIn. Right? So this is what I was doing for many years in my life. And still people are following the same approach. Compete करो, compare करो. अगर ऑफिस में है, ऑफिस में if I got 12% and if I look around, oh 11% मेरा अच्छा है, 14% oh मेरा कम है, my increment is less. This is how it works. It's all about इसको कितना मिला, मुझे कितना मिला. We never think in absolute. What is my capability? So today I want you to understand. Salary is what you want. Salary is not what was the highest last year. That is your mindset. अगर हम वही लेके चलते हैं तो you keep justifying that even to the recruiters. सर last year तो इतना दिया था, इस साल तो इतना दे दो. That is not how it works for all of you. So start coming out of this. And it was in the year 15 when I started thinking different. Till 15, what was I doing? Mechanical engineering का certificate था मेरे पास और एक MBA का certificate था. And I was so married to my qualification कि मैं करूँगा तो engineering company में sales. मुझे बैंक में नहीं जाना है. That was me. And this journey with the MBA faculty, MBA thing, I was the one who was not sitting in campus interviews, जो बैंक से आ रहे थे. तब मुझे कुछ ऐसा कुछ पैशन नहीं था, but I was like 4 साल engineering किया है तो I should get into engineering firm. And somehow it happened, process चला and I got into Siemens. Siemens is one of the largest engineering multinationals, which I got to know after I entered Siemens. Because there was somebody in my family who was like, Siemens is a nice place to work. Engineers के लिए Siemens is the best company. I said, fine, then I go to Siemens. And I started doing everything to enter Siemens. But since 2015, when I realized कि ऐसा तो मेरा journey नहीं चलेगा. I cannot keep running for my whole life with full insecurity. I took the first risk. I took strategy. I got a role in strategy. Okay, so I changed my profile for the first time after 10 years of job. I did not look at my certificates. Tab tak I was married with my certificates. And for this role, I had to move to Delhi. For the first time in my family, my whole family, somebody stepped out of Baroda. Okay, and that also was a big step, like from one of the safest cities of the country. You are going to a city which is not known for good things, right? And you know, when I was leaving, मेरे फैमिली से किसी ने बड़ौदा छोड़ा नहीं था, बट जब मैं जा रहा था, संभल के रहना, ऐसा होता है, रात को तो बाहर निकलना ही मत. You have to take care. I had my son was 3 years old then, so संभल के रहना है. And my job was traveling, so I used to keep traveling. So इतना advice is programming तब भी चल रहा था, and I was allowing everybody to program my mind. Okay, so I went to Delhi, डरा हुआ. कंपनी सेम, लोग नए, और कैसे लोग? दिल्ली के लोग बहुत थे. You have to be very conscious and cautious when you talk to people in Delhi. So this was the programming. 2 साल में इतना डरता था. रात को घर पे, I was working with my CEO. In the strategy role, you have to work with the senior most person in the organization. So I was working with my CEO, and every day I entered his cabin, he used to make me feel मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता. That is the way he used to talk to me. Okay, but these 2 years were the years of transformation. Then I took the next big leap in my journey. I took a role as head of digitalization. I will tell you what helped me to reach here. But I am a mechanical engineer. This was something which was never expected. I was heading Asia, and for 5 years I was in this role. And when I started realizing, I became the only author in my entire organization. 12,000 employees in India, I was the only author. Why I say this? पूरी कंपनी मुझे जानने लगी थी, यार पूरा करके कोई लड़का है. And this happened during COVID. Just before COVID, I published my book in February 2020. And COVID was the period, entire organization, even while everybody was working from home, they started knowing me. It is not about me, it is about you. हम लोग क्या अलग कर रहे हैं? To get known, to get visible. This is one of the career strategies. What are you doing to make yourself visible? Or are you still part of the crowd? Are you still part of the crowd? In 2022, I was at the peak of my career. I stepped out of Siemens to start Career Ownership Hub. Because in these years, whatever I had done for myself, I thought I loved it. If I can change myself, and when I look around, everybody was like me, why can't I help to change other people? Why can't I start working for them? Definitely, money is a criteria. But if I add value, they'll pay. And that is what the journey is happening now. I started doing this in 2019. Unofficially, Career Ownership Hub started in 19 while I was working. But officially, it was established in 22. And this was my journey, where I realized too late कि ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा कि मैं लौटा हूँ. So since 2019, this is what I was doing. I was trying to get onto stage everywhere. In all the industrial events, I was on the stage. I wanted to speak because that was a fear I was carrying. I started visiting colleges because this was a place where nobody used to judge me. गलती भी हो गई stage पे, it's okay. I'm quite senior than you, so you will not feel the mistake. But nobody used to judge me. So before COVID, I visited 17, 18 colleges in a year. Every Saturday I was out. There are few colleges, majority of them are from Baroda. So I used to travel from Delhi to Baroda and Ahmedabad. And I went to Punjab, and in Delhi also I went to a few colleges. And what I started doing, I started documenting. I started documenting my journey. Because when I show this to you here, sitting here, I am establishing my credibility in front of you. So what you should be doing is document your journey. Document your journey. Document the 2 years that you are here. Whosoever guest comes to your faculty, you should have a picture with them, and it should be there on LinkedIn. क्योंकि जिसके साथ फोटो खींचा है उसका फोटो अगर वो देखता है LinkedIn पे तो उसको तो अच्छा ही लगता है, and you are then occupying space in their minds. So if there is a Reliance CEO and if you have a picture with the Reliance CEO, the probability of you getting a good job increases. The probability. ऐसे ऐसे पूरा पूरा दिन 7 दिन बैठ के क्या करोगे यार? Just waiting for the session to get over, and then फिर कैंटीन में जाने का? इतना सारा ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो तुम लोग, इतना सारा मेहनत करते हो, गेट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ योर टाइम. तो कल से इधर जो भी आता है ना, यू शुड नो हु इज कमिंग, एंड द क्वेश्चन शुड बी पॉइंटेड. यार, हाउ कैन दे नो अबाउट मी? दिस इज वन career strategy, one secret that I wanted to share with you. We will go in a systematic way. Okay, we will go in a systematic way. We will start a structural approach in a while. But this was me. My first book, bestseller at Amazon. I was so proud of this, and I am still proud of this. This is one of the biggest achievements of my life. No qualifications, no degrees are bigger than this. This is a book which encompasses my journey from the campus to corporate and beyond. The mistakes I made and the mistake you should not repeat. What strategies you should have today onwards for the next 1 year so that your salary is at least 20% more than your expectations. Start raising your bar. As a fresher, लोग कहेंगे पैसों के पीछे मत भागो. But it has to be one criteria. It has to be a criteria. जो लोग बोलते हैं पैसों के पीछे मत भागो, इट इज बिकॉज दे आर अफ्रेड. ओके, मनी इज अ क्राइटेरिया, बिकॉज इफ यू गेट अ जॉब ऑफ 5 लाख रुपीज और इफ यू गेट अ जॉब ऑफ 16 लाख रुपीज, 14 घंटे काम तो करना ही. सो यू आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट द सेम टाइम. सो यू मस्ट सेट योर टारगेट्स. Okay, this was the second book. This is an e-book. Both these books are on Amazon. I am facing some challenges with Amazon right now. There has been a duplicate copy of my book on Amazon, and Amazon is not able to track it. So I have withdrawn my books. And I got an Indian Achievers Award while I was working in my organization. Why I am sharing this? My growth in the last 5 years within Siemens was exponential. Was I learning a technical skill? No. I was not learning any technical skill. I was only making myself visible. I was across. So this is how, not to show all of you कि मैं कितना बड़ा हूँ, मैं कितना पॉपुलर हूँ, वो सब नहीं है. But this is something wherein I establish my credibility. I establish myself. So this is a college in Noida, Shiv Narayan University, and I am in the placement committee. I help the students in their interview preparation. And this was my mission. This is still going on, but I am a little bit slow on this mission. For all the mistakes which I have made in my career journey, I don't want you to repeat the same mistakes. So don't get into the first class distinction. मेरे time पे first class distinction was the criteria. Now it is CGPA or something, right? That is how you are measured. Don't get so much into that. Okay. I will share with you steps towards your job search. Okay. How will you behave in this 1 year and throughout your career journey to get the best for yourself? Not because you would have invested a lot of money somewhere else, but because you deserve it. Today you might feel, नहीं, no, मेरा इतना बड़ा, I don't think too big. I was also there. मुझे कभी लगता नहीं था, मुझे था सैलरी मिल जाए, बड़ौदा में जीना है, बस जिंदगी कट जाए बड़ौदा में. एक घर हो अपना, that is the dream of everyone. अपना एक घर हो. पहले एक ही गाड़ी होती थी, पहले मोबाइल फोन तो थे नहीं, but now the requirements, the targets are changing. So एक घर हो, I have my car and I can buy whatever mobile phone Apple releases. I should be the first one to buy. Those are the targets. Those were my targets. Like बस आराम से जीना है. But things changed. But for me, it happened. For you, let's do it. क्यों इंतजार करना है? Why to wait? Right? When I was working in Baroda as a sales head, I was a top performer and I was getting awards every year, monetary awards. But one fine day I got a call, and on the phone from the other side there was like, "क्या कर रहा है?" I said, "Who's that?" "प्रशांत बोल रहा हूँ." "कौन प्रशांत?" "अबे तेरा बॉस बोल रहा हूँ." And I was sitting, okay? I was like doing my work on my laptop and on the phone. And as soon as he said, "अबे तेरा बॉस बोल रहा हूँ." हाँ सर बोलिए." He was sitting in Delhi. He was my boss's boss. He was the CEO of Siemens Energy. मुझे उससे क्या है? मेरा बॉस तो अंदर केबिन में बैठा है. And he is a गुज्जू from Baroda. So I didn't care प्रशांत कौन है. So I हाँ सर बोलिए. गुड़गांव आएगा क्या? क्यों? रोल है तेरे लिए हेड ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजी का. हाँ प्रशांत, मैं 2 घंटे में बताता हूँ. अबे 2 घंटे में क्या बताएगा? 2 दिन के बाद बता. शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा इधर. मतलब हम लोग इतने डरते थे. मैं इतना डरता था मेरे बॉस से. बॉस कुछ भी बोला, हाँ सर हाँ, थोड़ा सा फोन रख के करेंगे कैसे? बट बॉस के सामने तो हाँ हो जाएगा. So I went into my manager's cabin, and he was like my father. He was very senior to me. I said, "Sir, Gujarati is okay for a while?" So I told him, "Sir, प्रशांत નો ફોન આવ્યો હતો. क्या મને ખબર છે, મને ફોન કરે તો મને પૂછ્યું હતું એને. 10 years of experience. I had 10 years of experience. Sir, જાઓ." So I was asking after 10 years also, "Sir, जाओ." You know what he said? A man with 50 years of age. Bro, प्रशांत के तो जाऊँ पड़े नहीं तो પછી career पर problem થશે. એને ના પડાય. Okay. At that point I did not realize કે બધા જ ગભરેલા હોય છે. But after many years when I look back, બધા ડરેલા જ છે. બધા job is not a security, job is a fear. Job security છે જ નહીં. આપણે security શું કશું security નથી. It's how you take it. It's how you take it. Whenever anything is secured, you know what you get? Fixed deposit માં શું મળે છે? Lowest interest. Who decides the interest? The government. So if you think anything as a security, you get the lowest returns, okay, and decided by somebody else. So don't take a job like a fixed deposit. Job security નથી હોતી. job પર challenge હોય છે, મજા કરવાની છે. ભૂલો કરો અને કૂદકા મારો. Accept, embrace the failure. સૌથી મોટું પ્રોગ્રામિંગ આપણે બધાએ બદલવાનું છે is failing is bad. Failing is not bad. If you don't fail, you are playing this game to save. And if you are playing safe, you don't deserve growth. You deserve only survival. You deserve only survival. Okay? Let's just look at yourself. And also look at how do you want to live the remaining years of your professional life and your personal life. So this was me, okay? What has changed over the period and what is changing every day is technology. The way businesses are operating, right? COVID was one of the most disruptive period in the world. And what were we talking? There was a word which everybody used to say. 2 words. What was that? What were the 2 words? Nah, something because of pandemic. Something because of pandemic. There were 2 words.
Quarantine.
New normal. Who was that? New normal. We are getting into a new normal. You know, unfortunately, everything changed. We did not change. After 2 years, we are back to normal. After 2 years, we are back to normal. What changed? The way the businesses operate changed. But we are still the same people. કેટલું strong programming હશે આપણામાં કે pandemic પણ એને ના બદલી શકે. All the kind of businesses, all the people who have grown during pandemic are the people who are able to change their thought process. And today I want you to start focusing on your mindset, which needs to be changed. Which needs to be changed. Okay. Survival of the fittest, right? Once you step out of this college, you will be fit because you will have a certificate. You will survive with the certificate. But if you want to grow, you have to be fast. Growth of the fastest. Survival of the fittest. Growth of the fastest. Remember this forever. In the next 7 days, whatever you are learning, start implementing if you like it. If it makes sense to you, start implementing. Don't wait after મહિનાથી કરીએ એવું ના હોય. કરવું હોય તો આજે જ કરો. If you feel it is important, do it now. Do it today. Right? So let's improvise ourselves to achieve something beyond what we can even think of. Okay, I'm just looking at the time. So it's 11:30. Next 45 minutes or next 30 minutes, okay? We'll get deeper into very simple things. No rocket science. No rocket science. No algebra, no trigonometry, no accounts. I don't know how to read balance sheets. Okay, I used to hate finance. પણ કરવું પડે. બધા કહે છે મને આવડવું જોઈએ. અરે પણ નથી ફાવતું. શું કરીએ નથી ફાવતું. ના કરવું પડે. માર્ક્સ તો લાવવા જ પડે ને. હે ને? After knowing, okay, all the professionals, all the people in the professional journey know કે માર્ક્સ તો કઈ ફાયદો નથી. માર્ક્સનો કઈ ફાયદો નથી. પણ જ્યારે ડાઇનિંગ ટેબલ પર ડિનર લેતા હોય એમના છોકરાને કેટલા આયા? કેટલા ટકા આયા? આવું છે પ્રોગ્રામિંગ. આપણને ખબર છે કે બહુ ફાયદો નથી થતો. તો કેટલા આયા? કેમ ઓછા આયા? ભાઈબંધના કેટલા આયા? એટલે સખત પ્રોગ્રામિંગ છે. And we should change this. ક્યારે ને ક્યારે તો બદલવું પડશે ને કોઈએ કે તો બદલવું પડશે. So there are people who are different. 5% people are different and they are growing like hell. They are feeling like hell. But the only thing they don't do is they don't quit. Okay. Again, ગૌર ગોપાલ દાસ કેવા આપણો મોટો મોટિવેશનલ સ્પીકર નથી. ઓકે, એટલે એવું ના રાખતા કે હા કશું કરી નાખે પછી આ બોલ્યા કરે છે કંઈ થવાનું તો છે નહીં. That is the mind. Mind is playing games with you. આ શું છે બધું? What are these things?
Distraction.
Something more?
Distraction.
Smart devices. These are smart devices. કેમ સ્માર્ટ છે આ બધી? Why are these called smart devices? Huh?
Make tasks faster.
Okay, that is one thing. What else? Smart કેમ કહીએ છીએ આપણે? Smart multitasking કરી શકે. What else?
Because they have a like different features than the previous one, the conventional ones. That's like if we
call
use
them smart.
yes, if we use the analog clock, so it only shows time or max to max with the date. But now if we use this smart watches, so we can call and we operate like a
Why can
mobile
we
phone.
call? Why can we call? You are on right track.
It's have a more features than the previous one. So
No,
we
but
have-
to call what is required?
We call it smart because it's a programmable device.
Okay, we are also programmable, but we are not smart. I'm just coming to this point. Why can we call with a watch? What makes us
because
call?
we made the feature in it. So
So what happens with the feature?
So it can deliver what we want.
Now, someone said something. Connectivity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. A watch, a TV, a mobile phone can network. And when they network, the best thing they do is they share. They share. They are made compatible to connect with each other. And that is why they are called smart. While I was in the strategy role, my only task was to create presentations, PPT for 2 years. Ideas coming from my CEO, PPT I was making. But then I became an expert. If you keep doing એક જ વસ્તુ કર્યા કરો તો expertise તો આવી જ જાય. એટલે I used to explore expert and I used to make very nice presentations. And I used to present to my senior management, to my board members, everywhere. And then once someone used to ask me, bro, પેલી slide તે ગઈકાલે deck દેખાડ તે મોકલને. It's mine. હું નહીં મોકલું. But then my role was to get data from the senior people to give it to my CEO. Like I was dependent on these people, but I did not give them the slides. તો કે બહુ સિમ્પલ વસ્તુ છે. પછી જ્યારે કોઈ બહુ માગે ને, બહુ માગે તો એનું PDF માં કન્વર્ટ કરી લે, જાતે બનાવી, હું નહીં આપું. But then I realized that they stopped helping me. તું ડેટા માંગ ને, હું તને નહીં આપતો. કેજે પછી પ્રશાંતને ડેટા નથી આપ્યો. So I realized that I am making a mistake. I started sharing. My life became easy. We are programmed not to share. We are programmed not to મારું છે. હું કેમ આપું? આપો. Start sharing. Okay. So this is something. The first secret for your career journey. The first secret in your career journey is start networking with the people in the industry. Start networking. There is no big power beyond networking. ખાલી નેટવર્કિંગ જ કામ કરે છે, નેટવર્ક માર્કેટિંગ નહીં. નેટવર્કિંગ. Okay, it is networking. Okay, so start networking with the people who can help you, who can take you further in your career. But networking is a two-way street. You cannot just say મને job જોઈએ છે, right? When I ask people to start using LinkedIn, I'll come to that in a while. But you have to start networking. Which is the first place where you can start networking? With the industrial leaders. LinkedIn. Offline. Guest lecture is one. Yes. Bang on. Workshops. Seminars. Forgetting a very important thing, all of you. Your internship is like a golden treasure for you. તમે જ્યાં પણ internship કરતા હો, please don't mind Gujarati, okay? I hope everybody understands, if not everybody speaking. So wherever you are doing your internship, please start networking. Wherever you did your last internship in the 3rd semester, do you know that people? Are you sending them emails? Are you sending them thank you notes? Do you know their birthdays? Do you know their anniversaries? Do you know in which standard are their kids? So whenever they are in the 10th and 12th, you are going to send a happy all the best WhatsApp. Very easy, no rocket science. ખાલી ડેટ્સ યાદ રાખવાની છે. તો એક ડાયરીમાં હવે મોબાઈલમાં મેન્ટેન થાય ને, રિમાઇન્ડર્સ નાખી દેવાના. આ સાહેબ જોડે કરવાનું છે કોન્ટેક્ટ, નેટવર્ક જોઈએ. He might not give me a job, but he may guide me. What if you know this gentleman who was here? I just met him in the staff room. He was a very senior person at Reliance. Can you not go and take his guidance? And when you take his guidance for 2 times, 3rd time you can ask for a job. है ना? જ્યારે આપણે પહેલા દિવસે MS માં પગ મૂકીએ, sorry, થોડુંક I am just going a little off track, okay? પણ કોઈ boys આમ આવે કોલેજમાં, she is a nice girl. Fine and normal, she is normal. Okay, if you look at a boy who is nice, or if you look at a girl who she is nice, okay, what is your first step? What is your first step? આ કેટલા વાગે ક્યાં જાય છે, કેન્ટીનમાં ક્યારે જાય છે, કઈ ચાની લારી પર જાય છે? આ તો ઠીક છે, પણ આના ફ્રેન્ડ્સ કોણ છે? એ લોકો જોડે ફ્રેન્ડશિપ કરી શકશે, રાઈટ? ઓકે, એટલે તમે what is your approach? Observe. એના ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ શું છે? What are the common interests? આના ફ્રેન્ડ્સ કોણ છે? પછી ધીરે ધીરે એના ફ્રેન્ડ્સ જોડે તમે ફ્રેન્ડશિપ કરો. પછી ધીરે ધીરે તમે એના ફ્રેન્ડ જોડે ફરવા જાઓ જ્યાં એ પણ હોય, રાઈટ? અને પછી ધીરે ધીરે તમે લોકો યુ ડોન્ટ પ્રપોઝ, યુ આસ્ક ફોર અ ફ્રેન્ડશિપ, રાઈટ? અને પછી એ ફ્રેન્ડશિપ થાય, then you ask for a job. Right? When I tell people LinkedIn પર કનેક્ટ આવો, તો કનેક્ટ કરીને સર ઇન્ટર્નશિપ છે, જસ્ટ નેટવર્ક. તરત પ્રપોઝ કરે, ના જ પડે ને, ના જ પડી જાય, સોરી આઈ ડોન્ટ નો યુ, સોરી. હે ને? એટલે આ રીતે સમજ પડે. મેં તો હમણાં નેટવર્કિંગ સમજાવો તો કઈ ઓફિસર જોબ જોઈએ છે મારે, તો જોબ જ જોઈએ, પહેલા જોબ આપો, પછી બીજી બધી વાતો કરીશું. So you have to start networking during your internships. બહુ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે કારણ કે તમે ઇન્ટર્નશિપ વખતે you get in touch with a lot of people who that point of time at that point in time might be juniors, but gradually they will also climb the ladder. Who that point in time are in that company, but they will also change companies. So how are you also expanding your network when people change companies? You are automatically reaching out to those companies. And as a student, you should have during your internship connected with everybody. એટલે તમારો જે ગ્રાન્ડ પ્રોજેક્ટ તમે કરવાના છો ને I was asking to Archel internship, that is why I was asking the question, right? આ ગ્રાન્ડ પ્રોજેક્ટ તમારી ડ્રીમ કંપનીમાં જ થવો જોઈએ. What is your dream company? સિલેક્ટ કરો, આજથી ચાલુ કરો નેટવર્કિંગ કરવાનું. Start engaging with the people. And after a month say, sir, after 6 months, after 3 months I have a grand project and I would like to be with you as a mentor. And as soon as you get in, હવે મને જોબ જ લેવાની નહીં કારણ કે આ મારી ડ્રીમ કંપની છે. So grant project is a place where you can show, where you can create an impact. પણ as a students પૂરો હું શું ઇમ્પેક્ટ કરી શકું? હું તો શીખવા આવ્યો છું, હું તો શીખવા આવી છું, ના કોઈને શીખવાડવું નથી. It is you believe, you think you are trainees. You are not trainees. You say we want to deliver. હું કંપનીની વેબસાઇટ પર વાંચીને આવ્યો છું, તમે આટલું કરો છો ને I can contribute at least 0.5% in this area. આટલું તો contribute કરી શકું ને. So when you change your way of talking to as a trainee to a contributor, you can elevate your value. So the first career strategy is start networking during your internships and start networking on LinkedIn. I have already shared the secret of LinkedIn. Tarant connect today, just don't go and start sending connection request. कोई हाँ नहीं पाए. Right? So how many of you are using LinkedIn? भाई I will ask question ना પછી एकदम પછી આમ ના कर देता. How many of you are posting regularly on LinkedIn? Creating your post, own post. Okay, good, very nice. Not regularly, but once in a week.
Once in a month.
Once in a month, maybe. So can I get a commitment from all of you that you will start consistently writing on LinkedIn? Okay? I want this commitment because I realized this too late in my life. Okay, LinkedIn is not a job portal. LinkedIn is not a job portal.
Yes.
LinkedIn is a place to first build your profile. LinkedIn is giving you a piece of land. कि आ टुकड़ो tomorrow. Now on that piece of land, you can build a casino, or you can build a NGO, you can build a school. But that is your piece of land. They are giving it to you for free. Use करो ना, मफत में जमीन मળી છે. बेच કેમ જવા દેવાનું? करो free use करो, free version मिलेगी. So this is your land. On that land you have to first build your shop. दुकान बनावी पड़શે. Right? Your profile is your shop. પણ ખાલી દુકાનમાં તો કોઈ આવે ના. કોઈ આવે ખાલી દુકાને તો કોણ આવે? અને કોઈ ભૂલથી આવી જશે તો પાછું નહીં આવે. એટલે you have to bring goods. You have to bring goods in the shop, and that is, those are your assets. That is your content. કે દુકાન તો બનાવી દીધી પણ હવે એમાં I keep creating content. પણ આપણી દુકાનમાં કેવી આઇટમ્સ આપણે લાવીએ? What kind of items do we bring? Which the customers want. મને ગમે તે ના લવાય પણ બીજાને ગમે. મારા કસ્ટમરને શું ગમે છે એ મને લાવવું પડશે ને. So I write content based on my goal, based on my target, કે મારે કઈ કંપનીમાં જવું છે અને મારે કઈ પ્રોફાઇલમાં જવું છે. If I want to get into sales, I will write what is happening in the sales industry. What is AI doing to sales? What is data science doing to sales? What is AI doing to accounts? What is AI doing to L&D? That is what I will talk on LinkedIn. Okay, and I'll start following all those HR leaders. If I am into HR, I want to get into HR, I'll start following all those HR leaders who are writing on LinkedIn. and I'll start commenting on their post. So when you are on LinkedIn, you have to first engage. You have to engage on their post. Then you have to send a connection request. After you comment on a few posts, then you have to send a connection request. થોડું ખબર પડે પછી ફ્રેન્ડશિપ માટે પ્રપોઝ કરાય, એના વગર કરાય નહીં. And then you have to દર અઠવાડિયે gift આપવી પડે. કોઈ બી રિલેશનશિપ. So you have to keep nurturing your network. How can you nurture? Go to their posts and put a quality comment. Put a quality comment on their post. That is how you keep nurturing your network. And then after 2 months, ask for a job. Job नहीं મળે ને પણ તમને બોલાય તો લેખી એકવાર મળવા. Let's have a cup of coffee. અને કદાચ પહેલી જોબ નહીં મળે પણ એ નેટવર્ક તમને લાઈફ ટાઈમ હેલ્પ કરશે. Whenever you want to change, we are not here only for the entry into the industrial world. We are here for your career journey. Secret number 2. What was the secret number 1? Network. Okay, networking કરવાનું છે. Network marketing નથી કરવાનું. Networking માં એટલે છેલ્લે king આવે છે. It is the king. And content is the king, right? Content is the kingdom. Okay, write more content, create your kingdom. You have all the knowledge, you have all the resources. You have to just pick and choose the right resource. There were 2 friends lost in a jungle. They went on an outbound trip of a company and they were lost in a jungle. We'll come to this coffee shower. So they were lost in a jungle and they were on an outbound trip. So in their bag they had a few things like a rope, a knife, shoes, diary, pen. Outbound માં છે ને કંપનીઓ ટ્રેકિંગ પણ કરાવે to make the employees happy. So they were lost in a jungle and gradually અંધારું થવા મળ્યું. So they were like searching for how to get out of the jungle. But suddenly there came a roar of a lion. એનો અવાજ આવ્યો. એટલે હવે એ બેજણ ગભરાયા કે ભાઈ now it's time that we have to take action. So the voice started coming closer. So જેમ એ સિંહનો અવાજ નજીક આવ્યો, આ બંને પાસે બેગ હતી, બેગમાં બંને પાસે ઓલમોસ્ટ સેમ સામાન હતો. એટલે એક જણ તરફ નાઇફ કાઢ્યું બેગમાં. Because they were on a trekking trip also, they had a knife. અને બીજા છે ને તે સ્પોર્ટ શૂઝ કાઢ્યું. તો જેને નાઇફ કાઢ્યું ને he started laughing. What do you think? With this sport shoes you can run faster than the lion?
No, he only has to run faster than the other person.
Faster than you.
He started laughing. I have to run faster than you, not the lion. Okay, resources બધા પાસે છે, but which resource to pick at what time is your call. Google પર જાઓ કે YouTube પર જાઓ કે ChatGPT પર જાઓ, that is your call. Content લખવા માટે, correct? Content લખવાની બહુ જરૂર છે. This is a word. If you want to just come out of Baroda, start, become global. Sorry, I just changed this slide. How much would you pay for this coffee?
20.
Huh? મોટેથી બોલો ને યાર, coffee 50, 30, 50, 30, 50. How much would you pay now? 300. Why? Brand, correct? So if you want to survive, then you are in the previous category. But if you want to increase your value from 50 to 300, which is 6x value, 6x. Don't talk of 10%, 15%. Start your personal branding journey. Okay? Know this person?
Jeff Bezos.
થોડું બોલે છે કોઈ? Jeff Bezos. કોણ છે? Who is he?
Founder.
Founder of
Amazon.
આ ખબર છે શું છે? કોઈ બોલ્યું? His first house. This was a garage from where he started his
Bookstore, online
business, his
bookstore.
bookstore. Right? ઘણા બધાને ખબર છે રાઈટ ઘણા બધાને થોડી થોડી સ્ટોરી ખબર છે જેફ બેઝોસ તો બધાને હવે જેફ બેઝોસ બોલે તો ખબર પડી ગઈ who is this person ઓકે who is this સ્ટોરી ખબર છે મારી સ્ટોરી ખબર પડી તમને મેં કીધી હમણાં what I am doing occupying space in your mind I am trying to build my brand this is the first step in your personal branding journey એ જ તમને કહું છું કે જ્યારે કોઈ અહીંયા ઊભું હોય ને તમે એના નામથી લઈને પૂછો ને સર તમે બહુ સરસ બુક લખી છે મેં તમારી બુક વાંચી ઇટ વોઝ નાઇસ બુક વાંચવાની જરૂર નથી પણ સમરી તો વંચાય ને તો તમે એવું બોલ્યા હો યાર તારું નામ શું છે થેન્ક્સ ફોર રીડિંગ માય બુક હવે હું 17 વર્ષ સિમેન્સમાં હતો તો તમારા માટે એક દરવાજો ખુલ્યો ને કે સિમેન્સમાં જોબ જોઈતી હોય તો પૂરોને વાત કરો કદાચ કશું તો કાઢશે એવી રીતે જ people who are coming here are your stakeholders. You have to occupy space in their minds. Why is this ad in Gujarati? Marketing guys.
ગરબા
એ લોકોની ટાર્ગેટ ઓડિયન્સ કઈ છે ગુજરાત પણ Mercedes will never give an ad in Gujarati. Right? Because that is not their audience. આ ક્વેશ્ચન મારો તમને બતાને છે Who is your target audience? You have to design yourself. You have to design yourself as per your target audience. તમારી જાતને સારી રીતે ડિઝાઇન કરવી પડે એવું ના ચાલે કોર્સ પતાવી દીધો સબ્જેક્ટ પતી ગયો માર્ક્સ આવી ગયા આટલા ચેપ્ટર તો એટલા જ આવડે છે એવી રીતે ના ચાલે ને You have to know, you must know what is going on in the organization. આજે ઇકોનોમી ગ્રો થઈ રહી છે we are in the fastest growing economy. You should know about the organization. What is happening there? Okay, you should be aware of that. તો તમે તમારી જાતને પૂરેપૂરું એવું ડિઝાઇન નથી કરવાનું પણ યુ શુડ રીડ સમથિંગ તમને થોડું ખબર હોવી જોઈએ એટલે આજે તમે કોઈ પણ કંપનીમાં તમે ઇન્ટરવ્યુ આપવા બેસો ને યુ શુડ નો સમથિંગ અબાઉટ ધેટ કંપની યુ શુડ નોટ ઓનલી હેવ યોર રેઝ્યુમે ઇન યોર હેન્ડ્સ ડોન્ટ મેક ધેટ મિસ્ટેક because there are many resources available from where you can get knowledge about the organization correct What is this? Advertisement of what?
detergent yes.
Which is the parent company? Parent company?
Yes.
HUL. Hindustan Unilever is the parent company. Right? But why two different advertisements? Segmentation. Surf is targeting a little above the middle class. And Wheel is for middle class and lower middle class. Same parent company, different target audience. You are from the same university. You cannot have the same audience. You must have your own audience. And your messaging should be different based on your goal. The list of companies which I saw on the board, why not target something beyond those companies? એ લોકો તો આવે છે પણ તમારે ક્યાં જવું છે that is more important. જે આવે છે એમાં નથી જવાનું તમારે ક્યાં જવું છે start networking, start branding and go and tell the companies કે અમે આવી રહ્યા છે we are coming. That is why we get trailers of the movies. Movies ના trailers હવે તો જો કે movies are gone, almost gone. But trailers કેમ આવતા હતા? Why were there hoardings of movies? Because they want to occupy space in your mind so that whenever they are released, you are ready to buy. Are you going and telling your customers we are coming? અમે આવતા વર્ષે આવીએ છીએ. Be ready for us. Booking કરાવો. Advance booking કરાવો because I am important. Because I am a brand. Advance booking કરાવો. You have the power. I want to tell you, you have the power. તમને રોજ કોઈ નહીં કહેવું. And don't wait for me to come every day. એટલે તમારું પોતાનું છે જ power. You have it. You have it. If you start believing, you can do it. કારણ કે IIM ના છોકરાઓ અલગ નથી હોતા. હું આજે તમને IIM માં બેસાડતો તમને મજા આવશે. પૂરો 40 તો ખરા જ. 40 લાખ તો જોઈએ જ ચાવતા હોય. Believe me, ખબર નહીં તમારું પોટેન્શિયલ ઓટોમેટિક વધી જશે. It is about the environment. It is about what kind of environment you are creating in this class. What are you talking? Are you talking constructive or are you talking destructive? It makes a huge difference. એટલે તમે લોકો લાઇટલી લેતા હો તો ઇટ્સ યોર ચોઇસ, પણ મને તો એવી ખબર છે કે આપણા કરતા તમારા કરતા બી નાના છોકરા બહુ આગળ છે. They have started their own businesses. Yes, if you are not so ambitious, then it's fine. Lectures attend करो, hostel में जाओ, जलसा करो, and then you are free to come the next day. I don't want you to work 24/7, but at least एक दिवस में 1 કલાક तो પોતાના માટે કરો. 1 hour for me for networking, 1 hour for me for content creation. 1 કલાકમાં બધું થઈ જાય. અને બીજો 1 કલાક એના માટે કરવા તો હું કહું થોડી વારમાં, એટલે 2 કલાક કાઢી રાખવાના પોતાના માટે. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ બધા જ જોઈએ, ફ્રેન્ડ્સ આર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ, but grow with them. Don't just go through life, grow through life. So secret 2 is personal branding, which starts with your story. કેમ કે તમારે જરૂરી છે કે સ્ટોરી બહુ હાઈફાઈ હોવી જોઈએ. મારી હાઈફાઈ તો તમારે બનાવવાની છે. અત્યાર સુધીની સ્ટોરી એવી તો પૂરો ભવિષ્યમાં થશે ના, ભવિષ્યમાં નહીં થાય. પાછળની સ્ટોરી પહેલા તો હાઈફાઈ બને. I started with my personal story. I said what happened with me in my family. Did that create a connect first when I shared my story? Correct? It is not necessary કે બધા પાસે એવો ટ્રેજિક ઇવેન્ટ હોવો જોઈએ, પણ you have to learn the art of telling stories. That is how movies are occupying space in our minds. That is how businesses are growing. We know Jeff Bezos, then Amazon. We know Steve Jobs and then Apple. We know Elon Musk and then Tesla. Personal brand is important. Who is important? Personal brand. પછી કંપની તો બનશે. I don't want the name of this person, but you know who is he. Correct? You know this gentleman also, all of you. You know this gentleman. Do you know this gentleman? All of you. Right? Are you observing something common with all of them? Leadership. What is the one important skill for leadership? Listening. Listening is a part of communication. These all people, you know this? Martin Luther King. He was able to get together more than thousands and thousands of people to listen to him because of the skill of communication. Listening is a very important part of communication. All these people are experts of their domain. Narendra Modi, one of the best politicians. MS Dhoni, best cricketer. And likewise, as we go and keep going, they are experts in their domain. But they are also experts in the way they deliver, the way they talk. They are good at speaking, they are good at influencing people. So the third secret for your career journey, the most ignored skill is communication. Start practicing communication. બોલતા નહીં આવડે તો નહીં ચાલે. ભલે તમે જેટલા બી ટેલેન્ટેડ હો, if you cannot speak at the right moment, on the right topic, to the right person, in the time that you have, then the game is over. It applies to friends, it applies in family, it applies in profession. Communication is the key. Start mastering the art of communication from now. Communication is not English. Communication એટલે ઇંગ્લિશ નહીં. નથી શીખ્યા તો નથી આવડતું ભાઈ. હવે અત્યારે ઇંગ્લિશ શીખીએ કે અત્યારે નોકરી કરીએ, રાઈટ? પણ ગુજરાતીમાં પણ આપણે બોલીએ તો આર વી કન્વિન્સિંગ ધ વે વી સ્પીક? Listening is the important, but I am talking more of speaking. Gujarati is not something that you can take forward, but at least Hindi, अगर आप हिंदी में भी ठीक से बात कर सकते हो, with a tone which is loud enough for the other person to understand, and your body language is good enough for the other person to accept you, and your eye contact is good enough that the person engages with you. That is what you have to learn. For all your interviews, this skill matters. Not for the campus placements, because campus માં તો બધા તમને લેવા જ આયા હોય છે. See, campus વાળા તો કેમ આવે છે, 2-3 જણને ઉઠાવવાના છે. પણ if you want to choose, if you want to select, if you want to really build a nice career, if you want to go to a company that is not coming from campus, then there would not be someone who need you. There you have to be a good communicator. Body language. Even when you are sitting on the chair, how is your body language? Even when you are sitting on your desk, how is your body language? Are you standing like this? Then it's over. धीरे-धीरे आवड़શે. Listen to videos on communication. Listen to TED Talks on communication. Listen to TED Talks on storytelling. Listen to TED Talks on presentation. Let's forget the reels. है ने, એના કરતા આપણે આ કરીએ તો કદાચ કંઈક સારું થશે. So start working on communication. The two things which I want you to start doing from today onwards: read a lot of books. Okay, figure out time to read books. You must read, and please focus on your health. All the people in the professional world are going through the biggest challenge of health. All the people in the professional world have a problem with their health. એકવાર નોકરી કરવાનું ચાલુ કરીએ પછી કરીશું નહીં ચાલે. હમણાંથી જ કરવું પડશે, હમણાંથી જ કરવું પડશે, કારણ કે it is a programming. So to start focusing on your health right now. Okay, all those who really want to read books, you can start with this book. You can start with this if you have not read this book. Okay, this is also a wonderful book. I was not a good reader. Okay, મેં કેમ આ બુક સિલેક્ટ કરી ખબર છે? અક્ષર મોટા હતા અને બુક નાની. But then this was one of the third best books that I read. Okay, so pick up the books and start reading. Pick up the books and start reading. Okay, થોડું વાંચો. હું નહોતો વાંચતો. My brother used to tell me, રમવાનું, ગલી ક્રિકેટ, લખોટીઓ, છાપો બધું રમતા હતા, પણ રમવાનું હતું, વાંચવાનું આખો દિવસ ભણવાનું છોડી પડ્યું. But it was way back in 2016 I started reading, and since then I am able to improve the way I talk to people. I am able to pick and choose stories from the book. I am able to pick and choose quotes from famous authors, famous industrialists, and put it at the right time. Okay, your perception about the world will change. The perception of others towards you will change. This is not motivation. This is something which has worked for me. I am standing in front of you, not that I am a very big person, but you know what? થોડી હિંમત તો આવી ગઈ છે. તે પગાર નહીં આવે ને બધું થશે, કરી લઈશું. પછી થોડી હિંમત તો આવી ગઈ છે કે હું સાચો છું. I am right. I don't need instructions. I am able to talk. I am able to talk. I just conducted a training last week in a company in Halol on presentation skills. My CEO messaged me, "Can you be my reverse mentor?" The person who was always making me realize that I am nothing for my good. He pushed me for 2 years for my good. I was like, project ગેરાઈને ખાલી રડવાનું જ બાકી હતું when I was in Delhi. So that was my journey. No, man. That was my journey. But then, tough times are really important. Failures are important. So please start reading. Okay? Please start reading. Please focus on your health. And what are the 3 secrets? Secret number 1? Networking. Industrial networking. Okay? એનાથી બીજું શું સારું થશે ખબર છે? તમે લોકો જ્યાં બેઠા છો ને, આજથી 5 વર્ષ પછી you will be able to pull more good companies when you start networking. અહીંયા તમે સારી કંપનીઝ લાવી શકશો for the betterment of the people who are here. Why are we stuck at 16? Why are we stuck at 5? Salary is important. First jump is important. Dream companies. Why are we stuck with same 20 list of companies? Why are we just waiting for them to come? Why don't they feel यार हमें नहीं चाहिए तो कोई ले जाए सालों को ने? Start networking. Call companies like people have never imagined. जी ये कह रहे हैं now good paymasters. There are companies who are very good paymasters. Okay, you have to understand that you are capable. The only thing is that you are not networking, you are not reaching out to them because right? What is the second secret? Personal branding, Starbucks. You know, જ્યારે મેં તમને પેલો કપ બતાવ્યો હતો, પહેલો કપ 50 રૂપિયા વાળો, બીજા કપમાં કોફી મેં એમાંથી જ નાખી હતી. ખાલી સ્ટીકર જ બદલાયું. Only the sticker changed, the brand. So content can remain the same. It is the way you present. If you keep underestimating yourself, भगवान पण તમને મદદ નહીં કરી શકે. It is how you present yourself makes all the difference. Start documenting your journey if you want to build a personal brand, because those pieces of your journey will help you establish your brand faster. Okay. And the third secret? Communication is the key. 20 years of experience in the corporate world, people are afraid of speaking. કેમ તમને તમારું કામ જ આવડે. If you keep working hard in your cubicle, you will grow only as big as your cubicle. તમે આ ક્લાસરૂમમાં જેટલી બી મહેનત કરી લેશો, and if you are not communicating your value to the right people at the right time in a right way, at the right place, you will not get what you deserve. તમને તમારી કેપેબિલિટી પ્રમાણે નહીં મળે. Okay, and the bonus is read and focus on your health. Are you all with me? આટલું કરશો ને, આટલું તો થાય જ. કોઈ રોકેટ સાયન્સ નથી, કોઈ રોકેટ સાયન્સ નથી. ખાલી એક જ વસ્તુ છે, 2 મિનિટમાં મેગી જ બને. 2 મિનિટમાં મેગી જ બને અને એનાથી તબિયત બગડે. આ બધું 2 મિનિટનો ખેલ નથી. એટલે ડોન્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ અ રિઝલ્ટ ઇન માઇન્ડ કે આનું રિઝલ્ટ ક્યારે આવશે. પૂરો મેં તો કન્ટેન્ટ લખ્યું પણ થોડું થયું તો નહીં. અરે પૂરો હું તો કમ્યુનિકેશન હું તો રોજે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરું છું. પૂરો બુક્સ લઈ આવ્યો કમ્યુનિકેશન પર. પણ કમ્યુનિકેશન ઇઝ લાઈક સ્વિમિંગ. You have to jump in the pool. You cannot read books of swimming and learn swimming. એટલે કમ્યુનિકેશન કરવું હોય, સેટરડે સન્ડે અહીંયા આવો, આ ફેસિલિટીનો યુઝ કરો, 2 જણ ઉપર ઉભા રહો, 4 જણ સાંભળો અને બોલો. રોજ જે બોલો, who is stopping you? ઘરમાં જ છે બધું, ફેસિલિટી તો છે જ. Nobody will tell you no, not to come. Your environment defines your growth. તમે લોકો બધા, you are one of the top performers. અહીંયા સુધી પહોંચ્યા છો. Okay, don't get complacent. હવે આવી ગયા ને પતી ગયું નથી પત્યું. જોબ મળ્યા પછી બી ક્યારેય શાંતિ નહીં થાય. મને બધા એવું કહેતા હતા એકવાર જોબ મળી જાય ને પૂરો લાઈફ સેટ. It never happens. And the day it is set, you lose. Okay, so don't settle. Keep challenging yourself. Right? So now it's done. I have one thing to offer. I took permission from madam. I have got a few copies of my books. Okay, which is with me because Amazon for there was, I said there was some problem, I withdraw everything from Amazon. I have got a few copies. If anybody would want, my book on the Amazon is 260 rupees. Okay, it's for 180 rupees today if you want to take. Okay, તમને જોઈતી. Okay, so if you want it, then you can scan this and get a copy. Copies મારી પાસે પડી છે, હું લાવ્યો છું. If you want to start reading, okay, I am not here to sell, but you have to read it if you want. And the second thing is, आप scan ना करें तो ना करता, but this is something you must scan now. So this is a feedback for me, okay. Don't write too long, लगता नहीं चालसे. Okay, I know everybody is not so keen on writing a lot. can have questions for next 10 minutes if you have any. When you don't have questions, there are two things, right? Either you got everything or you got nothing. Both is good. Yes.
Sir, your session was interesting and inspiring, so kudos to you for that. Sir, my question was, in the beginning of the session you told that, step out of the rat race and, take charge of your own life. But how to ascertain our value? Sometimes we undervalue or overvalue ourselves. And resultantly we make a loss throughout our effort. So how can we ascertain that value?
Take actions and make a few losses. Okay. You cannot ascertain your value just sitting in the showroom. You have to get out of the showroom and start talking to people. Start sharing your ideas. You have to bring yourself at a level of others, and then you will know what is your value. Okay. But most of the times, why let others define our value? Okay. So one thing which I would suggest is start reading a lot of books. Read biographies of people, and that will help you for this particular question. How do I introspect? And your network defines your value. We always say network is your network. Network is your network. So if you are the smartest in your network, then you are in a wrong network. So start networking with people who you want to model. Okay. But as we start networking, we don't propose. We just engage. Right? Good. મને તો મજા આવી. I enjoy. I always enjoy when I'm on the stage. I need a timer to stop. So if no questions, then we are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this,
Yes,
and
sir.
please start taking actions. Potential તો એટલું બધું છે ને. Opportunities તો આપણું મગજ ખાલી એવું કહે છે opportunities નથી, but hell lot of opportunities. Hell lot of opportunities. You have to decide where you want to go. Okay. Why not go international from ABIS? Directly a job international. Think about it. Both possible. Yes.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your career experiences, your mistakes, and also giving us the secrets for our career journey. We appreciate the time that you took from your busy schedule. Now, I would like to request our faculty member, Ms. Smita Trivedi ma'am, to honor our guest with a moment. Thank you, ma'am. I now request Achal Pandita, representative of Corporate and Intelligence team of Management Students Forum, to offer the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon all. On behalf of the Faculty of Management Studies, I am Anshul Pandita, representative of Corporate Interface Committee, Management Students Forum, would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Vijay Kumar Srivastava sir, and our respected Dean ma'am, Dr. Sunita Sharma ma'am, for giving us an opportunity to conduct such an impactful event. I would also like to thank Purav sir for sharing their thoughts on how we have to, for sharing their thoughts and secrets for success. And I would like to thank all the faculty members who are present for their presence, and I would like to thank I would like to thank team of Management Students Forum for their dedication and efforts for the successful execution of the event. And in the last, I would like to thank each and every student who is present here for your time, energy, and enthusiasm. For your energy and time. Once again, thank you all.